Firewalls and intrusion detection prevention systems. Firewalls and intrusion detection prevention systems are essential components of modern cybersecurity architectures, serving as the first and second lines of defense against cyber threats. They play a critical role in monitoring, controlling, and protecting network traffic to safeguard organizational data and systems. While firewalls establish barriers to prevent unauthorized access, IDPS actively detects and mitigates suspicious or malicious activity, ensuring a comprehensive approach to network security. Firewalls. A firewall is defined as a security device or software that monitors incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predefined security rules. The function of a firewall is that it acts as a gatekeeper, allowing or blocking data packets based on criteria such as IP addresses, protocols, or port numbers. Firewalls are used to protect networks from unauthorized access while permitting legitimate communication. Types of firewalls. Packet filtering firewalls inspect packets of data and allow or block them based on source and destination IP addresses, ports, and protocols. Stateful inspection firewalls analyze the state of active connections and determine whether packets belong to an established session. Next-generation firewalls provide advanced features like deep packet inspection, application awareness, and integration with intrusion prevention systems. Proxy firewalls act as intermediaries between users and the Internet, masking internal network information. Cloud-based firewalls, also known as firewall as a service, these are designed to protect cloud environments and remote access scenarios. Firewalls have multiple benefits such as preventing unauthorized access to networks, protecting against known threats by blocking suspicious traffic, and enforcing organizational security policies. They also help in reducing the attack surface by filtering unnecessary traffic. Intrusion detection and prevention systems. An IDPS is defined as a security solution designed to detect and respond to malicious activity within a network or system. Intrusion detection systems monitor and alert on suspicious activity, while intrusion prevention systems take proactive measures to block or mitigate threats in real time. There are many types of IDPS. Starting with network-based IDPS, which monitors traffic across an entire network to detect suspicious patterns. Host-based IDPS focuses on monitoring activity on specific devices or systems. Signature-based IDPS detects threats by comparing activity to known attack signatures. Anomaly-based IDPS uses behavioral analysis to detect deviations from normal activity. Hybrid IDPS combines signature-based and anomaly-based approaches for enhanced detection. Intrusion detection and prevention systems are equipped with robust capabilities that enhance network security by identifying and mitigating threats in real time. IDPS continuously monitors network traffic and system activities, identifying unusual patterns or behaviors that may indicate potential threats. All detected incidents are logged for further analysis. Upon identifying malicious activity, IDPS can immediately block the traffic or quarantine it to prevent harm to the network or systems. This proactive response minimizes damage from potential breaches. IDPS generates comprehensive alerts, including timestamps, IP addresses, and attack signatures, enabling security teams to investigate incidents thoroughly and identify vulnerabilities. Mitigation of specific attacks. IDPS is effective in defending against various attacks, such as denial of service attacks, malware distribution, and unauthorized access attempts. Key differences between firewalls and IDPS. Firewalls and IDPS have unique roles in network security. Firewalls focus on controlling the flow of traffic using predefined rules, whereas IDPS specializes in identifying and mitigating malicious activity within the network. Firewalls are inherently proactive, designed to block unwanted traffic immediately upon detection. In contrast, IDPS can be reactive, providing alerts to administrators or actively preventing threats after detection. Firewalls typically operate at the network and transport layers of the OSI model, offering foundational traffic control. IDPS goes further, functioning at multiple layers, including the application layer, to deliver broader security coverage. Firewalls primarily focus on enforcing access control by filtering traffic. IDPS complements this functionality with advanced capabilities such as monitoring, detecting anomalies, and actively mitigating threats in real time. Challenges: intrusion detection and prevention systems may generate false alarms, alerting administrators to benign activities. Alternatively, they might fail to detect sophisticated attacks, resulting in potential inefficiencies and vulnerabilities. Setting up and maintaining accurate firewall rules and IDPS policies is a complex and time-intensive task. It requires a high level of expertise to ensure proper implementation and ongoing adjustments. Processing high traffic volumes and performing complex inspections can impact network performance. Firewalls and IDPS must balance security and operational efficiency to avoid slowing down business processes. Modern threats, such as encrypted attacks and zero-day exploits, are constantly evolving. Both firewalls and IDPS must stay up to date to adapt to these sophisticated attack methods and maintain robust protection. Best practices: keep firewall and IDPS software regularly updated to safeguard your systems against emerging and evolving threats. Consistent patching ensures vulnerabilities are addressed promptly. Enhance protection by using firewalls and IDPS alongside complementary tools like antivirus software and endpoint detection systems. Layered security creates multiple defense points. Periodically review firewall rules and IDPS policies to ensure they align with your organization's current business requirements and security objectives. Activate logging and monitoring features in firewalls and IDPS to gain detailed insights into network traffic patterns and potential security incidents. These logs are invaluable for analysis and response. Avoid overly complex configurations in firewalls and IDPS, as they can introduce vulnerabilities and make management more challenging. Keep setups straightforward yet effective. Leverage next-generation firewalls and advanced IDPS solutions equipped with AI and machine learning capabilities. These technologies significantly enhance threat detection and response capabilities. To summarize, firewalls and intrusion detection prevention systems are foundational elements of network security, working together to protect against unauthorized access and malicious activity. Firewalls control and filter network traffic based on predefined rules, while IDPS actively detects, alerts, and mitigates suspicious behaviors. With advanced technologies like next-generation firewalls and hybrid IDPS solutions, organizations can defend against evolving threats such as malware, DOS attacks, and unauthorized access. These tools are essential for safeguarding organizational assets, maintaining compliance, and ensuring data security.